The water slope. During the 1960s, the Francine norm of the 2C canal was decided by the Ministry of Transport. This operation was carried out on the Garonne Canal in the early 1970s. It consisted of extending the locks of the simple locks, while the problem of crossing chain of locks of Montec was solved by the creation of a branch equipped with a water slope. Water slope found there its first operational application. Decided in 1975, then carried out until 1981, the Fraissinet setting of Canal du Midi was done at the same time that they did the Port-la-Nouvelle branch. The crossing of the difference in altitude from Francevin to Béziers was a difficult problem. A solution at a given time was to group 2 by 2 the 7th century locksmiths. The solution was quickly abandoned in favor of the creation of a totally new structure. A lock of high-fall project was studied in detail. It appeared to be an inexpensive solution in investment and operation. However, the central administration wished to consider a variant solution consisting on a slope of water like adopted at Montec. The company holding the patent was invited to submit proposal. In the end, the central administration decided to make a slope according to the proposal. This technical solution appeared to meet the needs of the crossing of high-level differentials, although the operation of Francevin provided the opportunity to realize in real size a prototype demonstration, able to convince the owners of those projects of the advantage of this French invention. A French invention due to Professor Jean Aubert. The slope of water is a very simple principle which allows, unlike all other elevating systems, the crossing of theoretical unlimited elevations in a very reasonable economic condition. The principle of operation consists in transferring boats with a moving mast inside a channel with a low slope, which connect two channel bays located at different levels. The principle of operation consists in transferring boats with a moving mast inside a channel with a low slope, which connect two channel bays located at different levels. The entire mast used to maneuver is called a motor shield. Constituted of a motorized gantry mounted on 18 wheels equipped with tires rolling on the crest and moving a mast which retained the corner of water inside the trench. The entire motor shield is driven from the control cabin in the rear. First crossing with Francevin water slope was in 1983. In May 1984, shortly after its commissioning, a serious brakes accident occurred on the side of this new installation. We must not forget the high prototype character of the slope. This accident did highlight a significant number of design and construction defects that could lead to significant safety problems. Measures to improve the engine shield were implemented between 1985 and 1986. At the beginning of 1988, the craft was put into service again. Nevertheless, its reliability is still very insufficient and it has not been possible to exploit it continuously in a substantial way. Frequent repairs requires many interruption periods. Times for the repairs has been increasing over the years so that the exploitation was reduced from 68 days in 1990 to 2 days in 1995. Given those high repair costs and the reduced exploitation of the structure, it was decided to stop water slope for Francevin on April 11, 2001.